We sat with the TDs in Galway yesterday. One TD was on the phone to the Taoiseach, the second TD was on the phone to the Taoiseach. We got on the train today, and when we got as far as the door, our names aren't on the list. We are here to tell the truth. We were here to represent the people and try and get everything across the line. That hasn't happened.
We came here today as a voice for the people of Ireland and the people of the island of Ireland, I should say. We were told it was a meeting last night. This morning it changed around. There's so much controversy around all of this. 1 minute there's a meeting, then there's no meeting. Look, we don't know where we are.
And is
but
it your
but
belief
look at
that your name should have been on that list?
it should have been on that list.
And who told you that?
Some of our protesters from Galway were talking to some of the TDs. So that's where we are. Look,
John,
there's
where
so
do you
much.
go to from here?
Look at all as we wanted. All as we really wanted was to be able to step down the protest. We wanted to be able to get into Ag House, into talks, get a result. We had demands. Look, we are the voice for the people of Ireland.